Okay, friends, we have another Chester coloring worksheet. So we read the story The Kissing Hand and learned all about Chester. Now we get to do a fun coloring worksheet. So first, let's take a look at our color code. I'm going to teach you some number poems while we do this. So we have the number 1. So straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. Now we have the color word Y-E-L-L-O-W. That word is yellow. So I'm going to put a little color yellow over our yellow. The next poem we're going to learn is 2. Around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. And this color word, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. So I'm going to put a little orange color over my orange. Now we have the number 3. 3 is around the tree, around the tree. That's how you make the number 3. And we have the color word G-R-E-E-N, green. So I'm going to put a little green over the color word green. Now I have the next number is 4. Down, across, and down some more. That's how you make the number 4. And this color word, B-R-O-W-N, brown. So I'm going to color a little brown over the color word brown. All right, the last poem we're going to learn is for the number 5. Make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. Now, usually everyone laughs when I say that one, so I hope you are laughing at home. And we're going to do the color word B-L-A-C-K, black. Okay, friends. Now, the next number we have is the number 6. And we have the word R-E-D, red. So I'm going to color over that word red. And then the last one is 7. And we have G-R-A-Y, gray. So I'm going to put a little gray over that. Okay, friends. Today while we're coloring, we are going to use a very, very important kindergarten skill. We're going to color neatly, no scribble scrabble. So let's look for the number 1 first. Wherever I see the number 1, I know that I'm going to color it yellow. So I'm going to take my time and neatly color in the yellow sun. Okay, friends. Then I see the number 2, and I'm going to take my time and neatly color in the number 2. Anywhere I see a 2, I'm going to color orange. Okay, now on the tree I see the number 3, so I would neatly color in my number 3. I'm taking my time, no scribble scrabbling outside of the lines. Okay, boys and girls, I am going to let you do the rest of the coloring by yourselves, remembering to use your color code. And friends, I forgot our most important rule in kindergarten, which is the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to go back now and I'm going to write my name in my best handwriting, taking my time and neatly writing my name. Okay, friends, I can't wait to see your very best kindergarten coloring.